Power down your Apple iPhone 7 phone. Eject the nano SIM card tray. Remove the two bottom 3.4mm pentalobe screws located next to the lightning connector. Use a precision knife to create enough space to insert a triangle opening tool. With the triangle opening tool, slice through the sticky adhesive and carefully decouple the iPhone 7 display assembly from the rear case. Unlike previous iPhone models, the iPhone 7 opens just like a book, along the side instead of at the top. The display assembly is still connected to the iPhone by cables along the middle right side, so don't try to remove it entirely just yet. Remove the following 4 tri-point screws, securing the bracket that covers the battery connector and 2 of the display cables. These screws are different sizes, so be sure to remember where they go. With the bracket out of the way, spudge up the cables from the logic board. Remove the following 2 Phillips screws that secure the bracket covering the upper component display cable. Disconnect the cable and free the iPhone 7 display assembly from the phone. In place of the headphone jack is a barometric vent. Remove the following 2 Phillips screws and then lift it out of the iPhone 7 rear case. Remove the following 3 Phillips screws. Pop the connector up from the lightning port assembly and remove the iPhone 7 Taptic engine. This sleek engine uses haptic feedback to simulate the push of a button. Locate the 2 peel to remove adhesive tabs at the bottom of the iPhone 7 battery. Grab the first tab and try to keep the adhesive strip flat and wide. Slowly and gently pull each strip up and away from the iPhone 7. The strips will stretch to many times the length of the battery. Keep pulling until they come out from between the battery and the rear case. And just like that, out pops the 1960 mAh 3.8 volt iPhone 7 battery.